Ready to build a website faster and smarter than ever before. Okay, let's dive right in. First, launch Adobe Dreamweaver and create a new HTML document. This will be the foundation of your website. Switch to code view in Dreamweaver. This is where we'll get our hands dirty by writing the code. Now, head over to Chatgpt. Open Chatgpt and start by crafting a prompt for the website content. This prompt will describe the purpose of the page and the content we need, such as a home page for a photography website. Ask Chatgpt to generate the main content, including headings, about us and body text. Copy that. Now, go back to your Dreamweaver code and paste the content. Dreamweaver will automatically format most of the text for us after we paste it in. Start by creating the basic HTML structure within Dreamweaver, including HTML tags, head tags and body tags. Let's go back to Chatgpt. Next, leverage Chatgpt to generate code snippets. Prompt Chatgpt include CSS, or you can request HTML code. Copy that. Paste the CSS and HTML code. View your web design by using the design view in Dreamweaver and preview the website in the browser, and there you have it. A basic website created in a snap, using the power of Dreamweaver and Chatgpt.